Arbany, Plain Jane. So if you've heard your name, please come to the runway.
All right.
Here we go.
Let's do this. Good luck, guys.
Arbany, we're going to talk about your look first.
I think so many people would look at that and say, that's good. But what we're looking for is great. What we're looking for is breaking out of something that is safe. Is it wearable? Yes. But I don't think it's inspiring. There are 21 designers that are coming, and they're coming hard. And we felt you came good, which is not good enough.
For me, it's too boring too. This is a design competition show. It's not enough.
I'm just so mad at myself. My #1 true calling is being a fashion designer. And that's all I've ever worked hard for. It's a decision that I made to bring this garment, and I just feel like I need a second chance.
So inyo pong napanood mga kapolitika itong si Miss Universe 2022 na si Arbony Gabriel at pag-uusapan natin dahil nakikipagsapalaran po siya ngayon dito sa isang reality show na nakabase sa New York, itong tinatawag na Project Runway. So ano ba itong Project Runway na reality show? Project Runway is a reality television competition where aspiring fashion designers face weekly challenges to create the best garments within strict time, material, and budget constraints. Contestants present their designs to a panel of judges, and one or more designers are eliminated each episode. So alam naman po natin na talagang si Arbony Gabriel ay mahal na mahal niya mga kapolitika ang fashion designing. At in fact doon nga sa Miss Universe 2022 ay ibinida niya yung mga gawa niya kung saan ay napapakinabangan niya yung mga tira-tirang tela. So yun ang isa sa mga advocacy niya doon sa sa Miss Universe 2022. So sumali siya dito sa Project Runway, but before is meron siyang mga show dito sa Pilipinas dahil nga hinahanap niya yung kanyang career at wala naman siyang career doon sa Amerika. So dito siya sa Pilipinas meron siyang mga racket at nag-host siya dito sa mga show. So apparently itong si Arbony Gabriel ay mahal na mahal din ng mga Pilipino dahil nga meron siyang dugong Pinoy. So para sa akin naman ang maging reaction ko dito sa gamit yung kanyang obra sa Project Runway, I believe na maganda naman mga kapolitika, pero iba kasi talaga yung yung taste or yung yung standard ng mga judges na hinahanap nila dito sa isang contestant dito sa or isang fashion designer dito sa Project Runway. So kung hindi man papalarin itong si Arbony dahil wala nga daw butuhan ito at mainly itong mga hurado ang magde-decide kung ma-eliminate siya sa susunod na episode. So yun lang talaga ang pag-asa ni Arbony Gabriel. Pero patuloy pa rin po nating suportahan at palakasin natin yung moral support natin dito kay Arbony Gabriel sa Project Runway na ngayon ay may posibilidad na siya ay malalaglag sa susunod na episode dahil nasa bottom 2 itong ranking ngayon ni Arbony dito sa nasabing reality show. So ganun at kung hindi man papalarin itong si Arbony, pwede naman siyang bumalik sa Pilipinas dahil kahit papano ay meron naman siyang trabaho dito sa ating bansa at naimbitahan naman siya sa mga TV shows. So yun ang update dito kay Arbony at ang magiging winner po pala dito sa reality show na ito ay tatanggap ng $200,000 or nasa 12 million pesos mga kapolitika kung pera sa Pilipinas. So medyo malaki-laking pa-premyo kung i-convert natin sa Philippine peso. Okay, so suportahan po natin dahil si Arbony Gabriel is hindi talaga niya ipinagkakailan na siya ay may dugong Pilipino. So suportahan po natin si Arbony dito sa kanyang laban sa Project Runway. So ano po mga kapolitika ang inyong masasabi ni Gabriel sa Project Runway? Kayo po ba ay satisfied dito sa kanyang naging obra? At ano sa tingin nyo kung bakit hindi po masasa standard ng mga judges ang gawa ni Arbony Gabriel dito sa Project Runway? Mag-comment down below at huwag kalimutang mag-like at mag-subscribe na rin kayo para updated kayo sa ating mga latest issue.
Time to get dressed for the Project Runway premiere. So 2-piece set, this is from a collection that I've been working on. This top is actually from my last collection. I made it in black and now it's in cream. I'm gonna kind of test out this outfit tonight and see how much people love it. The outfit was really popular last collection. So it comes with the drop waist, mid-length matching skirt with a black yoke, little color contrast. I just steamed this baby and it has watermarks and I hope that they dry before I go downstairs for the watch party. Project Runway is literally airing tonight and we're throwing a last minute watch party. Being on Project Runway was such a fun experience. I loved being on set. I loved being around all the designers in the same room. The amount of talent in such a closed space was so inspiring. It's a no shoes house, but let me put on the heels to show you the full fit. I'm so glad that I actually went for it and put myself out there. It was my first time on reality TV. This was my way of stepping back into media as a designer instead of a beauty queen. Project Runway is iconic. Here's a full fit. She's classy tonight. Let me know what y'all think. Should I make more runs of this outfit? Should I do other colors? Let's see what people think tonight. I personally love it. I love a matching set. Okay, let's go watch Project Run.